I know last night we went to bed and this sidewalk was brushed off. What animal was that? You can see kind of like markings in the dirt. What animal was that? And that pumpkin was not on the ground either. What the heck? First thing in the morning, we like to get the fireplace going. Should we do cinnamon rolls? There's enough. Do you know what I have been so good about getting up in the mornings and making eggs. You know what? We have
But no, it's Halloween. It's a weekend.
Exactly.
It's the week of Halloween. We should.
We're doing eggs. That's awful. It's not awful. Mornings are kind of hard, but Monday mornings are the hardest. We just live for the weekends, and so when they're over, it's so sad. Oh, and I've got oranges. I try to have like fruit and eggs in the morning. It's usually just a slightly different combo depending on whatever I've got in the house. How could be the first one ready this morning? I don't know. The boys work out in the mornings religiously, like they don't miss. And Lincoln barely gets up here. He barely wakes up when we have breakfast. That looks much more nutritious than a cinnamon roll.
Taste is good.
Yes, thank you, Cody. Okay, Lincoln, I'm gonna see if anyone at home knows this reference. Go ahead and replicate it.
Yeah!
It is so spot on. You sound just like it. You sound just like it.
I just re-printed this last night. It's a little pumpkin, but it's a little fidget, so it can go up and it can go down. I like doing this, but you can use it in all sorts of ways.
Isn't that the best thing?
But it takes 4 hours to build, print. But it's because Dad put it on extra slow for precision, because he doesn't want it to malfunction, because this is a really hard print.
Yeah. I'm going to put a link for our 3D printer and the 3D pen, because I think both of them would make the best gift. The best gift idea. Here I am with a mouthful of cookie. However, I missed showing you dinner. We cooked 2 roasts because this is our favorite way to make it, and we never have enough. So we made a double batch. How we ate it was we just take a bun that we get from the grocery store, cut it in half, fill it with meat. I put provolone on the bottom and on the top, and then we broil it. It makes the best sandwiches, and then we use that as dip, like just the natural drippings as dip. Oh, it is good. It's a little spicy, so if you don't like spice, don't put all the peppers in it, but I made a whole video on the recipe, so I'll put that in the description for you. Naturally, I've got to update you on the weather. Joel, we've got to, here's what I've got to do, Joel.
Listening.
Okay, I need to wash the covers to the patio set, And then do you think that, where should we put it? Where should we put the patio set? Could we put it underneath?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Should we do that? Because I don't really love bringing it inside.
But I don't want to leave the cushions anywhere.
Oh.
I think we should put the furniture downstairs and bring the cushions in the cold storage.
Maybe.
So
Maybe.
the cats and stuff aren't getting
But we've got to put this away for the season. We've got to put this away for the season. And then we're just left with an empty patio. Not sure what we're going to do yet.
This is like my favorite part, is the light brown, the darker brown.
Yes. Okay, all the
It's
boys
so-
have a Carhartt work jacket, and Olivia didn't have one the other day. And she sometimes will take Joel's. This is so cute. This is a men's jacket.
Yeah.
We have to roll the sleeves up because they are a little bit long.
Yeah.
Turn around because it's a men size small.
Yeah.
This is the cutest jacket.
And it's so warm.
It's so cute. Yeah. What is the inside?
It's like a cute, like,
Yeah.
I love
Ooh,
it.
that is nice.
No, and it has all these like little secret pockets. I love
it.
I keep things that I don't want to lose, like my lip gloss and
Yeah.
my card and
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, let me show you the ones the boys have. Oh yeah, that's way cute, especially because it's raining.
Yeah.
We've kind of been going through snow clothes to see what fits and what doesn't, what we need to get. This is a youth size, or is it? Let me see. Yeah, this is a youth size. And it's pretty big. So there's Boston's. Gotta move this. My kids don't put their shoes on without a shoehorn. A little bougie, but... And this is Cody's black jacket. And it's also a Carhartt. They are just such good jackets. And do you know what I want to do with them? I don't know, call me dumb, but I want to, when they've grown out of them, I want to wash them and put them up here, because seriously, we don't ever put anything up there. Then when the kids move out of the house, they're gonna start having kids, and every time my kids would go to my mom's house or Joel's parents' house, they never have like jackets just to like, even if they're way big or a little small, they just need like extra things around the house for the grandkids. I feel a little silly even like thinking or planning for the grandkids, but I have a few jackets. These are like, I'm not talking like your Amazon specials or like your Walmart specials. These Carhartts are gonna outlive us. And so there's just a few pieces that I really wanna keep. And including cowboy boots or like rain boots or like those kind of things, because obviously we live out where it's a little muddy, it can be adventurous, and I want the kids to be able to just throw on a pair of boots and like run outside and do whatever they need to do. My vision is to have like all different sizes of old boots and old jackets that we wore those when we were young. Isn't that so cute?
like these new boots. I'm sorry.
It's a little shaky, but I'm gonna close the vlog here because I wanted to say something. We're just talking all about the things we're learning in school. We're talking about famous people that
had like bad, like they had to go through some like horrible things.
Yeah.
Just like big thing to overcome.
give one example.
Like Walt Disney, he got fired from like a paper company. Well, it was like a newspaper company, and they said he had no imagination. They had to build Disney.
Yeah, and it reminded me, I had an elementary teacher that told me I always got in trouble, and she told me I had no personality. Interesting.
Would it say most people are projecting?
I don't know. We're heading to the Titanic
Replica.
museum. I don't know. I'll close the vlog here, and I think I'll try to get some clips in there. I have no idea what to expect, so I don't know what we'll see. But anyway, we'll close the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.